Good morning, my amazing 6th grade classes. I miss you so much. And I'm really excited to say that next week we are going to be having Google Meets. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through exactly how to use Google Meets. This is from a computer. So if you were to do this from a phone, you would probably need to download the Google Meets app so that this could work for you. But otherwise, I'm going to show you how to do it from a computer or like a tablet. Before we get started, I quickly want to show you. Yesterday, I posted the times for our Google Meets. So these Google Meets are going to be mandatory. I'm going to ask that you participate. I've noticed I haven't had that many students participating in my Instagram Lives, and this will be a once a week check-in for me to make sure that you're doing okay, that you're understanding the material, that you can ask any questions that may be relevant for the whole class. So it will be held in class, one class sessions. So 623 is going to be Mondays at 10:30. 625 will be Tuesdays at 10:30, and 635 will be Thursdays at 10:30. So please make sure that you are doing your best to attend these sessions. Not knowing how to get to Google Meets is not an excuse, because I'm posting your tutorial right after I'm done filming it. Okay, so now that you know your time, it's actually very easy to get to Google Meets. So let's say we're 623, because I'm in 623's Google Classroom ELA page, and it's Monday, it's 10:29 a.m., and I as a student am ready to go to our Google Meet. So what I would do is I would go to our personal ELA Google Classroom page. Do not go to the whole grade remote learning page. Go to our personal, so you'll recognize it, right? And then you'll see it says Meet link. Super easy. All you do is you click the Meet link, and then normally I would be the one controlling it, right? And no one's here because, oh, look at me on 2 screens. No one's here because this is not the scheduled time, but you quickly just click join now, and then you would be in. I would change this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All you have to do, hey me, and then you can leave, is click the link that's on our Google Classroom page whenever we have a Google Meet. So that's about it. We are going to do this together. It's going to be a challenge, but it's all in your Google Classroom, so as long as you're clicking it, we'll figure it out together. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys next week. So remember, 623 will be on Mondays, 625 on Tuesdays, 635 on Thursdays, always at 10:30 a.m., and then I will be going on live on Instagram Live at 11 a.m. and posting my Instagram Live lesson afterwards on Google Classroom. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this was helpful for you.